Well, it's the am I crooked letter? Ain't no one better. And when I'm on the microphone, you best to wear your sweater, cause I'm cooler than a polar bear's toenails. Oh hell, there he go again, talking that shit. Then corners like I was a curve, I struck a nerve, and now you about to see the southern player serve. I heard it's not where you from, but where you pay rent. And I heard it's not what you make, but how much you spend. You got me bent like elbows, amongst other things, but I'm not worried, cause when we step up in a party like a mouse, you scurry. So go get your fucking shine box and your sack of nickels. It tickles to see you try to be like Mr. Pickles. Daddy fat sacks, B-I-G-B-O-I. It's that same motherfucker that took them knuckles through your eye. And I try to warn you not to test, but you don't listen. Giving a shout out to my Uncle Donald, locked up in prison, yeah. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Now my oral illustration be like floral stimulation to the female gender. Ain't nothing better, let me know when it's wet enough to enter. If not, I'll wait, because the future of the world depends on if or if not the child we raise gon' have that homie syndrome. I'm willing though to beat the odds regardless of the skin tone. I really feel that if we tune it, it just might get picked on. Or will it give a fuck about what others say and get gone? The alienate us cause we different, keep your hands to the sky like sounds of blackness. When I practice what I preach, it don't lie. I'll be the baker and the maker of the piece of my pie. Now break a tenfold, can I get some reply? Everybody throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Every day I sit while my homie be in school, thinking about the second album at the dungeon shooting pool. Like he is to the PM, cause we adjust to the beat in the zone. Honey, I'm